Good afternoon everyone. Today we will be doing worksheet 9 that is given here. Joy has horses, goats, cows, hens on his farms. He divides them among his 3 children, Daksh, Nab, Surya. The table shows the number of animals each child gets. Some details are missing. Complete the table and answer the question that follow. So now this table we have to complete here. Joy has some different types of animal that has been given to his children. Okay, so means Joy is father and there are 3 children, Daksh, Nab and Surya. So different types of animals has been given to this children. So how many horses does Joy give to Surya? So firstly we have to see that Surya, where is Surya written? It is written here. And now Daksh is having 236 horses, Nab is having 108 horses, Surya is, we don't have any number here, and total number of horses is 505. So we have to find the number of horses that Surya has. Now what we will do is, firstly we have to add these two numbers. Okay, firstly we have to find the sum of these two numbers, then we will subtract that sum from this 505. Okay, so now 6 plus 8 is 14. 1 we will write here. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. So it means 344. 344 total sum of these two numbers. Then we will write this number here. 344. We have to subtract now. 5 minus 4 is 1. 0 minus 4 is not possible. So we will borrow, and this 0 will become 10 and 5 will become 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. So it means that 161 horses Surya has. 161 horses Surya has. So we will write here also the answer. Okay, like this. Next question is, how many goats does Joy give to Daksh? How many goats that Joy gives to Daksh? So now we have number of goats for Nab 432. 349 goats is Surya is having. Total goats is 1450. So again, if we want to find the number of goats that Daksh is having, so we have to firstly do the addition for this. We have to find the sum of these two numbers and then we have to subtract from the total. Okay, so the sum of two numbers is 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 here. Then 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. So now here we have got the answer sum 7, 8, 1 we will write here. Now you have to subtract. 0 minus 1 is not possible. So we will borrow 1 here. So it will become 10 and this will become 4. 10 minus 1 is 9. 4 minus 8 is not possible. So we will take one number from here. This will become 3 and this will become 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 3 minus 7 is not possible. So 13 minus 7 is again 6. So 669 goats is with Daksh. 669 goats are with Daksh. We have find the answer here. So 669 you will write it here also. Now how many hens does Nab have? As you can see here, Nab, we don't know the number that hens that Nab is having. So we will find the number by adding these two numbers and subtracting it with the total. So again I have written it here. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we will write this number here now. 2407. Okay, now we have to subtract. 6 minus 7 is not possible. So 16 minus 7 now. That will be 9. Okay, and this will become 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 4 is not possible. So we will write 13. Borrow 1 from here and this will become 3. 13 minus 4 is 9 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So it means 1939 hens is with Nub 1939 hens with nub. So we will write it here also. 1939. How many cows does Joy give to the 3 children? Now as you can see, we have different types of numbers that is given to Daksh, Nub and Surya. So it means that 267 cows with Daksh, 145 with Nub and 250 with Surya. So we have to find the total number here, total number of cows. Okay, so what you will do is you just have to simply add these numbers. So 7 plus 5 is 12. We will write it here, 1 here. Now 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 1 here. Now 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So the answer is 642. So 642 total cows we are having, 642. So we will write it here also, 642. How many more goats does Daksh get than Surya? Now we have to compare Daksh and Surya. I have already told you, when we are comparing the numbers, then we have to subtract. Okay, so now Daksh and Surya. So what is the how many goats? So goats is 669 with Daksh. We are having 669 goats. And then Surya is having how many goats? 349. Okay, so we have to again subtract now. So 9 minus 9 is 0, 6 minus 4 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3. So the answer is 320. 320. How many more hens does the Joy give to Nub than Surya? Now number of hens that Nub is having is 1939. So we will write 1939, 1939 minus, now Surya is having how many? 1283. Okay, 1283. So we will write 1283. So now we have to subtract. 9 minus 3 is 6. 3 minus 8 is not possible. So 13 minus 8 is, this will become 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. 8 minus 2 is 6 and 0. So it will be 656. 656. Nub is having more hens than Surya. Okay. Then we have done this question number 1. Okay. So I have told you, when you subtract same number with the number, then you will get 0. So if you subtract 456 from 456, your answer will be 0. As you can see, 1143 is subtracted from 1143. So answer will be 0. The answer will be 0. Now what should be subtracted from 2000 that the answer should be 0? So obviously you will subtract the same number here, so that the answer will be 0. A 4-digit number has 1s, 10s and 100,000. If 0 is subtracted from number, we get the same number. If you are subtracting 0 from any number, you will get the same number. So if we subtract 0 from here, 1000 minus 0 will be 1000. 1219 minus 0, so the answer will be same. Okay, same answer will be there. 888. If you subtract 0 from it, you will get the same answer. So these two questions, okay, these two questions you will do it in the book. This is your homework. You will do it in the notebook. Homework in notebook. Okay. So this is your notebook part, and we will not do this question. We will not do this question. There is one homework that I have given you to do it in the notebook, and I have told you to learn 1 to 12 table, so that we can start multiplication table. 1 to 12 table you have to learn it. Tomorrow you will be having class, so you should better prepare yourself. Keep green and blue pencil with you. Keep green and blue pencil with you, so that you can do your work. Okay, bye bye students. I hope that you have understood the video properly.